Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
How are you?
How are you, children? Fine?
Fine.
Fine.
Ma'am.
So,
How are
children,
you,
fine. So, children, last class we were revising chapter 9.1 fractions of a number. So, we discussed how to find the fraction of a number. To find the fraction of a number,
We need
We have to
multiply.
multiply the numerator
Multiply.
with the
Very good. Okay.
fraction
Ah,
and divide the
ah.
divide.
Multiply, just that is enough. Okay, so how we will multiply, that we know, the multiply the numerator, then we will divide by denominator. So how to find the fraction of a number? For example, we learn half of a meter. So we will do half multiplied by half into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 by 2, that is 50 centimeter. So children, today we are going to do conversions of fractions. Before that, conversions of fractions, we have to know what is proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Okay, so what is a proper fraction? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, Tanvi. Can you tell me what is a proper fraction? Proper.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am Siddhi.
Siddhi, help Tanvi. What is
Ma'am,
proper fraction? Yes. Hmm.
proper fraction means numerator is lesser than the denominator.
Proper.
Ma'am,
Proper.
I
Numerator
joined now
is?
because of network issue.
Ma'am,
Okay, okay, Didi. Yes, Siddhi. Proper fraction means numerator is.
lesser
Yes, Kirtana.
than numerator
Numerator is
smaller
smaller, less
lesser
than.
than
Yeah, okay, Siddhi. Lesser or smaller than the denominator. So proper fraction. Yes, Tanvi, can you say what is a proper fraction?
Numerator is lesser than denominator.
Numerator is less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper. So what will be improper? The opposite.
Denominator lesser than numerator.
Numerator is greater. Okay. Numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Now, what is a mixed fraction? Okay, Srihari. Srihari. Okay.
Fractions with whole number and proper fraction
Proper fraction. Very good.
are
So what is a
called
mixed fraction?
or mixed number.
Okay. Mixed fraction or mixed number, that is means it is a combination of a whole number and a proper. Remember, that should be a proper. Then only it will be a mixed number. Now, okay, children, you can continue right in the right. Who is that turning? Siddhi, can you please mute your audio? Okay, children.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ah.
Ma'am, can we define improper fraction like the denominator is lesser than the numerator?
We can say denominator is less. So if it is, we can say numerator is greater. That means automatically denominator will be smaller. We can define that also. Okay. Okay, children. So write down revision.
I'm in rough book.
Same rough book revision we are doing every day, same book. Okay, children, we are revising every day, so you can have a look again and again. So you have to write all the revisions together. Revision of 9.2. What is 9.2? Conversions of fractions. Conversions of fractions. Okay, so you have to identify what is a proper, improper, and mixed fractions. So for that, I will write here. First one, children, not the definition, just write the words. Proper fraction means, what is proper fraction? Numerator is smaller. So can you tell me one example? One example for proper.
Should we write the question?
Ma'am,
You have to
5
write
by 11.
5 by 11.
22 by
5 by 11. See, children, we are just writing only the words. So, we are not writing the definitions. We are writing the words to revise, and we are writing the examples to understand the concept. So, you have to write everything. Okay. You have to write the question and whatever we are writing on the board. If it is not needed, I will tell you. No need to write. Proper fraction, children, that is an one example. 5 by 11, you told me. Correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, next one.
Proper fraction. 5 by 11.
5 by 11 is an example for proper.
100
So,
by 50.
improper.
100 by 50.
100 by 50. So, children, here I am just writing this number upside down. 11 by 5. Is that correct?
Yes.
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 So, children, we have proper fraction 5
Should
by
we
11. From that 5 by 11, I made one improper fraction. How? Just make the denominator as the numerator and the numerator as denominator. Okay. Now, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Next one, mixed fraction. So, for example, we can take one easy, 2.5. 2.5. So that is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So, children, can I take this as?
Ma'am, should we write it?
Yes.
Ma'am, 5
One
by
minute,
Can
one
you
minute.
give us the question of mixed fraction?
1 minute, 1 minute. Something happened here. Can you see the board?
Yes, yes, ma'am, but it is very light.
Line not clear.
Oh, ma'am, we
Yes,
can
children.
see.
Okay. Wait.
Board is okay, but what you have written it's very light.
Because some problem. Okay, please mute and wait for the board to be. Okay, children. So we have written what is
the example for
a previous
Ma'am, I have
expression
it out.
executed without
Ma'am,
saving.
Have it out.
So, children. Okay, mixed fraction.
Ma'am, we can't see the
Ma'am, I
board. We
have it.
can't see the board.
I will share.
Ma'am, I have it out.
Wait 1 minute. One minute. Let me see.
Boy, this board is so naughty.
One minute, okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Look, easy board's application on PC.
Okay, so children, we are learning conversions of fractions. So for that, what is a proper fraction? Proper fraction means a fraction with numerator less. That's why we have written 5 by 11. That is an example. And improper means 11 by 5. That is numerator is greater. Now mixed fraction means 2 and 1 by 2. So 2 is a whole number. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So children, tell me, can I write this as a mixed fraction? 2 and 3 by 2. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
ma'am.
Why?
Because it is not a proper fraction.
Yes.
Improper fraction.
3 by 2 is not
An improper
proper fraction. This is improper. So children,
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, Tanvi.
If it is proper, only we can do like this mixed.
Yes, that is the definition. Definition of mixed fraction.
Yes. Why everybody?
Book. Then later we will continue with the multiple choice questions from the
Ma'am, I have
workbook.
it out.
Okay, children. Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, in 9.1, okay. Ma'am, in
We will
fraction.
discuss later that now. Okay, Siddhi.
No, that's it out.
That we will discuss later. Now, listen here now. Proper fraction. Okay. 5 by 11. Improper fraction is 11 by 5. Mixed fraction. Children, what is the definition of improper? No, mixed fraction. It should be a combination of a whole number
And a
proper fraction.
The proper fraction.
So if it is not a proper, for example, 2 and 3 by 2, this is not an, it's not
Fraction.
a mixed fraction because we have a mixed whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, children, now can we do next page?
Ma'am.
Conversions. Yes.
We can turn 2 by 2 and 3 by 2.
We can again make it into mixed number. Again, you have to
Just
divide. We can
take the
one
2
more.
and make it as the numerator.
Yes. Yes. Children, now write conversion of mixed fraction into mixed fraction to improper. Convert.
Should we write?
We had to write the heading. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper. So for example, last we have discussed one example, 2 and 1 by 2. How we can convert into improper? Who can tell me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 2 into
2
2 into 2 plus 1.
Okay. So children, what we are doing that 2 into 2 means multiply whole number and denominator. Then add the numerator. So children, the whole number 2 multiplied with the denominator again 2. Then add the numerator 1. Then divided by the same.
Is equal to 5 by 2.
Same denominator. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 2.
5
Okay.
by 2.
Is that clear, children? How we can make mixed fraction to improper? We have to multiply whole number and denominator. Then add the numerator 1. So can we do one question again? I will give you 3 and okay, children, write question number 1 you can write. Then question number 2 and 3 you have to do alone. 3 and 2 by 3. 3 and 2 by 3. Don't say the answer. I want all the children to try alone.
Ma'am, we should write that example.
Yes.
2 and 1 by 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you move? Okay.
I will mute everyone. Otherwise,
Ma'am, what is the
third question I will write here. So 3, the whole number, again 3 is the denominator, and yes, Manav, can you say the answer? 3, yes. 3 into 3 plus
2
by
3.
So what's the answer? 3 into 3? 9 plus 2. Yes. What's the answer? 11 by 3. Yes, children, check whether you got correct answer. Yes? Did you get the answer? We had to multiply the whole number and denominator, then add the numerator. Okay, question number 3, little more bigger number. 15 and 7 by 9. 15 and 7 by 9. 15 and 7 by 9. See, children, 15 into 9, little more bigger number. You have to multiply and check, okay? So we can write 15 multiplied with 9, then add the numerator, then whole divided by the same denominator. Yes, children, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I joined now because of network issue.
Okay, you can continue.
I got
We are writing.
the answer.
So write in the revision. rough.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
got the answer.
Tell me the answer. Ah,
142.
yes.
142.
Very good.
Ma'am,
142.
scroll down.
So children, when you multiplied 15 times 9, what is 15 into 9? 9 into 5?
Scroll down.
15
15 into 5.
9 into 5?
45.
45.
15 into 9 is
45.
135.
Then 4. Okay. 1 into 9. 9 plus 4.
Ma'am,
30. Okay. Then add the numerator. Then it is 142. Very good. Correct answer. Okay. So what's the answer, children? 142 divided by 9. 142 divided by 9. Children, all of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me question number 2 and 3. How many got correct answer? All of you?
Ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Can you share the board again?
Ma'am, can you?
Ah. Okay. So here question number 2 is 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. Question number here 15 into 9 is 135. Add the numerator, you will get the answer 142 by 9. So to convert mixed fraction to improper, children, what we have to do? We will multiply
The whole number
denominator, then add the
numerator.
numerator. Okay. So children, next page you can continue. Next heading, conversion of
Improper fraction.
mixed. Okay. Right. Conversion of mute your audio. All of you. Siddhi, mute your audio. Conversion of improper to
Mayug mute.
mixed fraction. Improper fraction to mixed fraction. So what we have to do, one question I will give you, that is question number 1, 37 by 6. 37 by 6. Okay children, to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, what we have to do? We have to divide. Yes, very good. Divide. So what do you have to do here? 37 divided by 6.
Then we will do alone.
One question I will help you. Then the next one you will do alone. Okay. So tell me the answer first. 6 times which number we can take from 37?
6 into 6.
Very good. 6 are 36.
36.
Okay. So 6 is the quotient
One
and
remainder.
1 is the remainder. And this 6 is the divisor. Okay. So children, tell me which will be the whole number? 6. That is the quotient. The quotient will be the whole number. Then what will be the numerator of the problem?
Remainder.
Remainder will be the numerator. And what will be the divisor? Divisor is the denominator.
Denominator.
So children, understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So to convert improper to mixed fraction, we will divide. Then we will find out the quotient and remainder. So quotient, that will be the whole number, and the remainder will be the numerator. Write the same divisor. So now I will give you one small question. Simple number 10 by 3. Find out fast. 10 divided by 3. Okay. Question number 3. Children, you have to do little bigger number. 63 by 5. 63 divided by 5. Okay, question number 2 is over. That very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
10 divided by 3. Yes. Tell me the answer. 3. 10 divided by 3.
3.
3 threes are 9, then 1. So what's the
1
answer?
remainder.
3
3
and
and 1 by 3.
3 and 1 by 3. So 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 3. Okay. Next one, 63 divided by 5.
12 5.
Ah,
12 into 5.
63 divided by 5. So 6 divided by 5.
1. Ma'am, 6
1,
divided by 5
1
is
into
equal
5,
to
5. Okay, then
5.
bring down 3. Tell me the answer.
2.
2. 2 5s are 10. So tell me the mixed number.
12 and 3 by 5.
Yes. 12, that is the quotient here. So that will be the whole number and remainder is 3 by the divisor. That is 5. 12 and 3 by 5. 12 and 3 by 5. So when we do back 12 into 5 is 60. 60 plus 3, 63. We will get the numerator 63 by 5. So children, is that clear? Did you get the answer?
Yes. Manav mute.
All of you got the answer, children? Can you show me your...
Yes.
Yes. So all the children, please take out your math workbook. Page number 30. 9.2. We will discuss the one words. Now, Mayuk, please mute. All of you, please listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay, so children, first we started the revision of which chapter?
fractions.
Measurements.
Measurements. So,
Measurements.
measurements. Very good. So children, we did measurements. Then chapter 8 fractions 1. Then chapter 9 fractions 2 we are doing now. So these 3 chapters you have to study again the one words, and today evening by 7:30 I will send you one Google Form MCQ test from these 3 chapters. Is that okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Fraction 1, fraction 2 and measurements.
measurement. I have sent the message in the group. Chapter 12
Yes,
measurement.
ma'am, you are sent.
Chapter 8. Listen to me. Just listen to me. Okay, wait. I'm repeating again. Chapter 8, fractions 1. You have 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. Only study the multiple choice question. That means I think 1 to 12 questions from the workbook only. And chapter 9, fractions 2. Then chapter 12, measurement. Is that clear? And today by 7:30. Today by 7:30, I will send the link of this MCQ. Okay?
Only multiple choice.
Only multiple. Only MCQ Google form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are doing here that all MCQs in the class also. Okay. In the MCQ, page number 30. Page number 30. Yes. Siddhi, can you read question number 1? Page number 30. Question number 1.
Okay, ma'am. First one. 4 by 6
Mm.
plus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6.
5 by
Option
6. So
C.
option C. So children, here we have the like terms. To add the like terms, we have to add only their numerators. So 4 plus 1, it's 5. Okay, Aditi, can you read question number 2? Yes, Aditi, question number 2.
Ma'am, I didn't get the page.
Page number 30.
30.
Page number 30.
Ma'am, page
Okay.
number
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Felix.
30.
Page number 30.
Yes, ma'am.
30. 30. Hmm.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Felix.
10 by 11 minus 6 by 11
Ma'am,
is 4 by 11.
10 by 11
Okay, wait, Aditi,
minus
wait.
6 by
10
11
minus 6.
is equal to
What's the answer? 10 minus 6. 10
Ma'am,
minus 6. Yes, Felix.
4 by
4 by 11. 4 by 11. So 4 by 11. So what we are doing? We are subtracting only the numerators. Yes, Aditi, you can read now question number 3.
okay, 8 by 13 minus 2 by 13 is equal to 6 by
6
13.
by 13. 8 minus 2. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
yes, Risa. Risa. Question number 4.
numerator of a proper fraction is dash its denominator less than.
Less than.
Ma'am,
Proper
can
fraction
I
means
read
children
next?
what? Numerator is less than the denominator. So it's a proper. Nainika, yes, question number 5.
Okay, ma'am. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, then the like fraction is dash fraction.
Yes.
And
Numerator is equal
improper.
to denominator. It is an improper. So children, if 6 by 6, 4 by 4, if the numerator and denominator, they are the same numbers, what are they? It is a
Improper.
proper fraction. 10
Ma'am, can I read?
9 by 9, 8 by 8, all are improper. Yes, Sarah, question number 6.
Okay, ma'am. The fraction 2 and 4 by 9 is dash fraction.
Ah.
Option a mixed
Mixed
fraction.
fraction, because this is a combination of a whole number and proper. Okay. Maria,
Ma'am, can I?
Maria.
Ma'am, I
Question
have
number
a
7.
doubt.
Yes, Risa.
Ma'am, if numerator and denominator is equal, the same number, so it's an improper or like
Improper.
It is a improper. Like means we will check only the denominator. If the denominators are same, so we have to compare two fraction, 4 by 6 and 2 by 6. Okay, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Like that. We will check only their denominators. But here, the numerator and denominator of one fraction, if they are equal, it is an improper. Okay, Anissa?
Ma'am, so if 9 by 9,
Ah.
it's improper fraction.
Improper,
right?
yes.
Okay.
9 by 10 by 10. Okay. Maria, question number 7.
Dash fractions have their numerators greater than their denominator.
Ah.
Improper.
Improper. Numerator is greater. Numerator is greater means we have the fractions, it is called improper. Hridvi, yes, 8. Question number 8.
Mixed fractions have a whole number and a dash fraction. Proper.
Proper. Okay. Mixed fraction have a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay. Ryan, can you read question number 9? Ryan.
Yes, ma'am. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, we have to dash the numerator by the denominator.
What we have to divide. Okay. To convert improper to mixed fraction, what we have to do? Divide. Divide. Okay. Hyra, can you read question number 10? Not audible. Yes. Okay, Hyra. It's not audible. Yes, Krishnanda. Siddhi, can you mute? Krishnanda.
Ma'am,
Ah,
9.
question number 10.
Convert 3 by 5 into its proper fraction.
Improper. Okay, 12 into 5. Tell me the answer. 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 3. What is the
60 plus
60? Tell me the answer. Which is the improper fraction for that? 63 by
63. 63 by 5.
5. So children, what we have written here, we are doing here, convert 12 and 3 by 5. 12 and 3 by 5 into improper. So what you have to do? Multiply 12 into 5 and add 3 upon 5. 12 5, 60 plus 3, 63 by 5. Okay. Next 2-3 questions, I will give you the question from the workbook. Please don't see the answer. You can do alone.
Ma'am, I have.
14 by 3. Convert into mixed fraction.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, in 9.1, right? In that the 16th question, then we need to convert kilogram into grams, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in B, how we will get that 200? Yeah.
Can you read the question?
What you're asking, Siddhi?
Okay, please wait. Okay, she's asking one question from 9.1. Okay, tell me the question.
4 by 5 of a kilogram.
4 by 5 of a kilogram. So what do you have to do here? 4 by 5 of a kilogram. So what do you have to do? 4 by 5. Instead of, what we will write?
Into
Into. Instead of 1 kilogram, how many gram? 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams, Siddhi?
1000 grams.
1000. Okay. Now you can multiply 4 into 1000. 4000. Divide by 5.
Ma'am, I finished dividing.
Wait, Aditi. Okay. So tell me here. Siddhi, 40 divided by 5.
8.
8. 8 into 5 is 40. Then we have 20. That 20 we will place it over here. So the answer is 800 gram.
Yeah, but when you send the notes, it was written something different.
That is what we are doing, cutting method. We can use any method, no problem. 4 by 5 into 100. So 100, 1000. 1000 by 5, it's 200. So 4 into 200, that also it is 800. Okay. We can do any method, cutting method or multiply the numerators. Okay, children, you were doing this question here. So did you get the answer, Siddhi? How to do?
4 2 by 3.
You can check only the answer. Yes. So question number 14 by 3. Next one. 7 and 5 by 10. Convert into. Children, these two questions, do it now.
Ma'am, rough book.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, what's the answer of question number 1? Question number 1.
4 and 2 by 3.
4 and 2 by 3.
4 3s are 12, 2 is remainder. So 4 and 2 by 3. Yes? Okay. Next one. 7 into 10. 7 into 10.
70.
5.
75.
75 by 10.
By 10.
Okay. So 7 into 10 is 70 plus 5. 75 by 10. Okay.
10.
Okay, children. Now I will give you a little more bigger number.
Yes, ma'am.
First question number 3. 160 divided by 12. Divided by 12.
And there is a disturbance.
You have to mute yourself to avoid disturbances. Okay, children. Yes, children, over? 12. How many times from 16 we can take 12?
1.
1. 1 into 12 is 12. When you subtract 4, bring down 0. Okay. Then 12 times how many? 12 into 1, 12, 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 into 4, 48.
3.
Yes, 12 into
3.
12 into 3 is 36. What is the remainder here? 4. So 160 divided by 12. Children, we can write the whole number as 13.
13 and 4 by 12.
4 by 12. 13 and 4 by 12. So children, the answer is 13 and 4 by 12. So children, finished? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
today we were revising chapter 9.2, conversions of fractions. So proper, improper and mixed fraction. So what is a proper fraction?
Numerator lesser than
Numerator is
less
than the denominator. So improper means opposite. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Then we discussed how to convert improper to mixed and mixed fraction to improper. Okay, children. So you had to study what today? By 7:30. What do you have to do? Revise again one more time. Only the MCQ multiple choice questions from chapter 8, 9 and
And you will send the link.
okay. Bye bye. 7:30.
Bye.